because it's so swift. Wait. Oh, above us.
Oh, see it, man.
That one. Other one's here.
Oh, well then.
Oh,
This
Oh, I've got a move.
found him.
Oh, the other one's in the window up there.
Are you down the guy I was after? Fuck me.
Yeah, the guy that was.
One guy here. He's down. He's
Oh,
there.
they're everywhere. There's one in the window. One on the window, Lee, still in the barn, right?
One in the door now, yeah. He dead. All dead.
Is that it?
Yeah. Upstairs.
Yep.
He dead.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh! Where are they coming from?
Money bags on you
Yeah.
guys. Or
No, it was
there
just
were
one
money
DK.
bags.
No,
Yeah.
I think it was us. Oh no, on this building opposite. He's dead.
More!
You got out. He's shooting at me. Could be distracted.
Oh, shot the bugger out of that. No.
Stay with him, he's fucked.
It's done! It's done!
Nice.
He's dead.
Yes!
Press the thermites on there.
Always worth a go.
Oh, that.
Oh yeah.
He's thermited me.
Yeah, he's good. He's really good.
Back as he ran to get you. Just hid onto the balcony.
Shots on me from somewhere.
Yep, prison.
Oh yeah. I see the Glinson.
Oh yeah, I see him. He's dead.
Nice.
I got him. I've got him with the finish move. Yeah! Oh, he's dead.
Taking us
Oh
from
yeah,
this
he's left
end.
side here.
Outside, yeah.
Moving here.
Fucking hell. He's still left side.
More people coming in.
I got him.
Oh,
Oh nice.
more people coming in, guys. More people.
Are people on this roof?
Yep. Oh, not right on us. Right on us. Marked him. Right on us. Well done. Beautiful. Oh no! Russ, marked him, he's low. Well done. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Did he go down easily, yeah? Well, we've got a king cunt, alright, he's gonna come up.
Oh, no, got heading.
We've got choppers and...
They're fucked. Stay away.
Cool.
Another one dropping.
People coming in.
On top. Left side. Oh no.
Found him on
He
top.
fucked.
Yeah, he got me, you know.
Another one's down on top.
More coming
Cool.
in, a lot.
We're pushing the fucking roof.
That's what I mean, that's what I wonder what you're doing.
He dead on roof. We can push back.
Oh,
The other
yeah,
side.
he's down. Oh, he's down. Oh, watch out the car, watch out the car. Oh, no.
Oh, the car. Try canal.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're definitely going that way.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Mark the target.
He dead.
I can see me in case in the next. It's not nice. Kill them all.
One from the other side as well, but one of them. One I think was trying to nail me from... Oh yeah, there it is. Stuck in the thermite. One player up there.
Oh, yeah. I'm down. I did mark
Okay,
roughly where he is.
Two players
Cool.
up there. There's three up there. I've down two of them. They're all dead. Two
Oh,
white.
great.
Oh, nice.
Oh, fantastic.
Everyone doesn't know where you're at. We're down here first right now. One hit. There we go. There's three. They didn't. dead.
Down.
One more over here. And then,
Hostile dropping into
Thermite
the
out.
area. Watch the skies.
one near you, Squay. Should be low. Yeah, you got him. Oh, there's one more coming in here.
Mark the target.
Don't worry about him.
Marked green, still front of the green mark. Got me again, what a bastard. Yeah.
Nice.
Well, I tried to.
Another one coming down there
Yeah,
as well.
that's him. Oh, he's down.
Oh, nice.
He dead.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh dear.
This is Striker 3-1. Good cover.
Square's coming down there.
Yeah.
He down.
See people.
Contact.
Oh yeah, that's him. He dead.
Another one there.
Dead.
I'll stop the bleeding.
Oh fucking hell. I got smashed twice.
Don't mind him. Stuck him. Stuck him and killed him.
Nice,
Downed him.
nice.
Nice. Looks like he's driving on.
Broke armor on
No,
him.
he's not. He's dead.
Broke armor on him, he's dead. Towards the train, I think. Fuck him
Target
again.
right here.
He's dead. More coming in there. One mark. Oh, down to another one on the train. Don't know what's happening. That was a weird thing. Alright, down him.
Nice. Another one came down around the vehicle.
Go. We're on the same side.
Oh yeah, I see him. I see him.
Target right here. Shit.
Got him.
Stuck him with thermite.
Got me.
On you, close. Yeah,
Contact.
I see him. He's down. And thermite. That's for killing my friend, motherfucker.
One's already broken his legs.
Yeah, cool. Behind. Behind. Marked him, Scotty. Cool.
Another one here.
Making a move.
He downed.
Enemy down.
Where's your
Oh, there he is.
Hold that thermite, bitch. Oh, one on top of the fucking thing.
Yeah.
Oh, I need a
Well done,
music
Lee.
box. I've got a fucking... Oh, that'll do.
There you go.
Got a dog. Come on, little cunty fucking... Oh, he's
That's
broke
it,
armor
Pete, don't-
already.
Yeah. Good.
Got him.
Me and Scotty are on our
Holy
way.
shit. Okay, they're all dead.
They're by the truck somewhere. In the little building.
One's down here.
It's downed him. I've downed him. He's
One
dead.
back here.
I read
He dead. They both dead.
Nice.
Go and get their money. They haven't got money.
Oh no! One more. Oh, Mark Tim, he's low.
He's dead.
Really low. Oh, well done.
Right side.
Dead.
Which guy?
Standing by.
Did he miss?
Marking
Oh, no.
Downed him.
Yeah, another one closer. Ooh,
Downed him.
Jumpy motherfucker.
Right, I'm getting the main man up quickly.
Oh.
Anyone in here now?
Messing around myself.
One in the plane on orange.
Yeah. Got vehicle.
Thermite on him. One thermite on him. Right on the side.
I
Someone's
downed
downed
one.
him.
Vehicle's been destroyed. Oh.
He gets his mate up now. Just gonna keep an eye out, see if they do pop up again. Oh yeah. Down one.
Oh,
Down the other.
Oh, beautiful.
no, another.
Two weird cunts giggling in one server. It's not gonna... Well,
Saw two cunts shooting behind a bush 290 metres away. But their quad bike's just outside this side of the house. Yeah, they're going back for the quad.
Contact.
Arm off.
Ah, stuck in the thermites he got on there.
Nice.
And he's got inside again.
Yeah. He's outside. He's gonna jump off. Taking once.
Downed.
Nice.
Another one sniping for
Enemy soldier incoming.
more on the roof again.
Yeah.
Down.
Yes.
One gone.
Target is down.
Nice.
Well done. Hostile dropping into the
Was
area.
that teamwork?
Watch the skies.
No. Yes.
Ah, yes.
So I was thinking about the dude coming in above us somewhere, or someone coming in.
On me.
He's low on, he's broke on the roof.
On the move.
Got him.
Nice.
Tough it out. You'll pull
Wait,
through.
rescue.
Tweet.
One's there.
The roof is bugger.
Coming to you.
I want him to fuck off in the helicopter. There he goes.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Oh, I missed the fucking thermite.
Got him. Shit. Can't take me alive. Thermite myself and jumped off.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Down one on the train. And another on the train. All dead on the fucking train.
Nice.
No retreat, no surrender.
Kloten.
UAV overhead.
Nice.
Now stand up and fight.
Okay, players near money drop. Can't work out where.
One's close to you.
Mm-hmm.
Left of you. Behind.
Oh shit.
Kill him when he met.
Another one coming in. Nice. Oh, yeah. Someone sniping out the back of the airport.
Oh, nice.
Another one above here as well.
Just left side of the thing.
Someone else has landed there as well.
Enemy UAV overhead.
On the left side, I think. On the left side, no?
There's one to the left there.
I'm moving.
He nailed me. Oh, nice.
Snippy sniped.
Missed the first shot. Missed the second shot.
You got
Missed
this.
the third shot.
Another one
Missed the
this
fourth
side.
shot.
Target right here.
Another one just
Missed
got
the
the
fifth
rappel.
shot.
Hostile.
Missed the sixth shot.
Come on, dude. There's fucking five
the
up there,
seventh
dude.
shot.
Look. Come on.
Missed the seventh
One.
shot. I
What?
cannot seem to. I just shot a dead guy.
There's another.
And out of ammo.
One's down right there. You can still hit him in the head.
It is the scope, dude.
You can just see
Like,
him in his head. Right on blue. Right there.
What?
His head's right under blue. See the black splat on
Is
the
that
wall?
his head?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Oh! I'm saying it fucking.
Ooh, he just walked past. One's inside. Oh,
Down the one on top.
Enemy
Nice.
UAV
Thermite
overhead.
out. Tossing a stun. Tough it out. You'll pull through.
Okay. One ladder here. Oh, one top.
Got both.
Nice.
Do you want some armor?
The one down. Off or up? No, down. I think. Didn't know where exactly. Fuck no.
Got the one down.
Falling for the.
Oh, dude, if you could just see what I've done.
Elite, I'm looking over the edge. I just did see it.
The dude, oh, dead. See Mike.
yeah, never mind.
There's more coming in over at these buildings here.
Oh! There, marked him, Lee. Red. Yeah, well done, mate. Brilliant kill, brilliant kill. Fucking get in there, what a fucking kill, Lee. I mean, that was okay. It was alright, you know. It was alright.
I've got an landing behind. Here. Lit. Down.
Fuck me, what a shot.
Dead.
Oh, by the way, I did see it. Coming in, I don't know if I'll be any good for much time.
Oh, so low, fuck.
Where's
Just
he?
crouching by bread. It's left side now.
Enemy dropping
Okay, that guy's dead, but he was shooting at someone over near green.
On the move.
I'll break
Yeah, he
arm
was,
on that
wasn't he?
guy.
Where?
He's
Oh,
down,
yeah.
he's down green. Oh my god.
No, what bother, Steve? There's only 4 people there, you'll be right.
4? Then 4 people, son.
Two are dead.
Oh, you can do it, Steve.
Bounty target
Two are
identified.
dead, Steve. You're okay. Roof somewhere, Steve. Oh, here he is.
Oh yeah, it's him.
Oh, too late. I've got him.
Relocating.
I've got him.
Coming.
I've got him. Well, I'm dead though.
Down to another.
Get on this ladder. Oh, it's
Well
got
done,
me.
Steve. You're doing really well there, mate. Stay where you are. Doing a bloody good job.
No.
You are?
Where'd you get got from, Steve?
He's on one of the roofs by looking at Superstore by that ladder. With that orange
Oh, that
marker.
makes it easy. Yeah, cool.
Orange marker. Orange marker.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
he's
yeah,
on.
lovely.
He's on the showroom roof.
Okay,
I
copy
see it
that.
now.
Oh, he's on
Oh.
our roof. Got him.
He was.
No,
Yeah.
there's another one. I guarantee you.
Yeah, I'm looking now. Oh yeah, I see him. Oh fuck, here he is.
Mark the target.
Down. Shot in the face. I'm being glinted red roof again. Right
Yeah,
side.
cool.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Someone's down him on red roof.
He's on it. There. Oh fuck.
Strong as
What's
an
up, boy?
ox. You'll make it.
Jesus. Okay, sniped at.
From your green.
He was hit, yeah, near there somewhere. I just hit him, but he's scared to come out again.
He's done.
I
Who got him?
I did. He drove past on the fucking vehicle.
Fuck.
There's one of them dead. Oh, there's another glinster up there.
Relocating.
Yeah, I see.
Dead.
Unit.
Yeah, I see him now.
Grab that cat.
He's dead.
Oh, top of the town behind. The little tubby thing.
Ah, right, yeah, I know what you mean now. Oh, come on. Run. Oh, you bastard.
Gone into that tent.
Yeah, broke armor on him. He's hurting.
Thermite out.
Good mark.
Oh,
Killed
nice.
him. He's dead.
Heading this way.
There somewhere.
Ah, fils de pute!
Yeah, 2 of them in there, 3 of them in there.
Contact you.
Got them all.
Oh, yes, well done.
Let's try with the roof. Oh yeah, there's airstrike going up on the floor. Oh yeah, players on this. One's down, left side. I think they're on red roof. Possibly, I'm not sure where I got shot from originally. What?
People around. There, Mark Timberlake. Well done, mate. Good kill.
Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile dropping into the area.
One coming in, Lee.
Secure cache. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Don't know what happened now.
Got 2 of them down.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Another one down. Dead. Oh no, one more here. Right behind him.
More dead.
Oh, it's the last one. Nice.
He's dead. He's dead.
Okay. Killed myself.
Oh, squaddy.
I don't know. Yeah. Funny you say that. Yeah.
Got you, 6.
They fucking hate him.
Squaddy, I'm missing all my sniper shots again.
No,
Help me.
no.
Tag them all for me.
Don't make me put it in a video. Just agreed with someone on
Oh,
green.
yeah.
Oh.
Well,
Down to another one on green. I'm out of ammo completely.
If you get me up, I can drop down the munitions crate.
That's
I got a boom
bribery,
boom.
you cunt.
Boom boom.
There's one behind you.
I'm moving.
Careful.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's
Oh, I
pushing
can't
around.
DMR.
find the munitions crate. It's
Oh,
not
you
loaded yet.
cunt. What? Oh,
God,
Scotty,
get me up,
dude. I've
though.
got 1 bullet left. 1 bullet left. 1 bullet left.
I got DM'd up.
Oh,
Oh, dear.
I'm
Oh,
dead.
dear.
I got him.
Beautiful. 1 bullet.
Yes, one's downed.
One's coming in to that place. He's dead.
Yeah.
Killed one outside the doodah. Another one on cunt tower as well.
Nice.
Oh,
Ran out of
one
Hostile
contracts.
dropping into the area. Watch the
Oh, yeah.
skies.
Not anymore. West.
Yeah.
Never mind. Another one coming in behind as well.
To the
Go
AR.
for the lorry.
Thermite out.
Get in the lorry now, fucker. Downed.
Guy in blue died.
Down one.
Outside.
Once. Dead. He missed. Oh, he's.
Yeah, let's get over there.
I'm gonna have 1 more game after this.
In the tower, he's finished my guy off. He's fucking dead. Get fucked.
Got him.
Yeah, definitely last game.
And dead.
Yeah, cool. Thank you, Lee.
You're welcome. There's money back.
Who's an aggravated little bugger?
Heading this way.
Oh, yeah, and a Jeep. Oh, one of those is
Haha, you cunt. Yeah. fucked, you muppet. Or one is it? Just down one off the top of the tower again.
Really? Cool. Oh, I've down, found. Oh, no chance. Did get him straight back.
Alright. Two more down on me. They're both dead. They're all dead.
Oh, you
Cool.
trying to shoot me out?
See the vehicle? It's there.
Enemy vehicle.
Ah, you cunt! Got him!
You really?
Yeah, fuck me.
Fucking quality.
Oh, it tells me I've got marked. And we both got the same perks because you've got overkill, right? So I have a sniper and an AR.
Oh! My God, I am fucking too good at this game sometimes.
Enemy dropping into the AR. Enemy UAV overhead.
No,
No,
there's.
he's got me. He's low. He's low. Oh,
Oh yeah, it's got me as well.
yeah, there's two in there. He got a baby monitor.
They've got two dead, but there's still one more in this building.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Here. Both dead. Oh, both dead. Got one downed.
Coming to you. Weird game actually at the moment.
One stuck and
The
dead.
guns up. One I'm getting killed by is proper killing, like they're good. You know, with the guns, it makes me feel good. It's not a DMR.
One behind here. Two down, two dead.
Patience is a virtue.
Don't know where the other one is. Oh,
Don't know where that was from.
got him. All dead.
Got your back.
Oh, well, mate. Nice. I found him.
Enemy soldier incoming.
I'm under fire.
Oh. Oh, he's low. He is low.
Oh yeah, he got me with a fucking grenade.
I've downed
Bastard.
Yeah, he's
Down
both. They're
two.
both there. Yeah.
one. One's dead. Two's dead. Hang on, I'm
Cool.
coming down to you now. There's still only one more in the building.
Nice.
It's gonna die in about 3 seconds. Red marker is on top of it.
Downed him. I've downed him. Don't worry, mate. You're down.
He's dead. Oh, yeah.
2 people on it.
Good.
They're both down.
No, there's still
there's-
someone on it.
Yeah, there's two dead.
I still,
There's
he
two
jumped
dead.
off, he jumped off.
I know,
He jumped off.
I know. I hear you.
Oh,
I
no.
see him as well.
Exposed.
Downed him.
Enemy UAV.
I've got the assist. Yeah, it's got an assist on that.
Downed him again.
Oh.
Watch out for orange. Maybe they're picking over the roof now. Downed him. And another on the air. Another one coming in here.
Hostile.
Enemy soldier incoming. Secure all
Fuck.
cash supplies.
He's got to be in here.
Tossing
Where's
is
body?
done.
Oh, his fucking body's down there.
Yeah.
Thermite out.
Is that all you?
Yeah.
You got it.
Fine, man.
Ah.
Oh, he's camping.
Mark out, I'm going.
Ground floor camping. Back to come and get me now. There he is. Take that, you motherfucker. Thank you, Lee. Do I do a finishing move on him? Is that alright? Nah, go on, take him out. No, take him out.
It's that one.
Why didn't it work?
Target's down. Well done.
Because he quit out probably.
Oh, okay.
And you have to walk up while you're holding E. You do it when you're right on. We're down to another guy here. He's in here. Just got up. Oh, I've stuck him. Got him.
You run him over?
Yeah. Mission
What
accomplished.
about him, Lee? Marked him?
Okay.
Mark.
I'll run him over and all.
Yeah, cool. Yeah.
Is he inside? Oh, that's going to be hard.
Yeah, he's outside now. He might have gone back in. Just be careful because he was in the corner when he got me.
Yeah, he's hurting.
The corner killer. Oh, below us, Lee, here.
I downed him. Or down.
Cash fire. Be advised, enemy attack chopper incoming. Take him down and secure the cash.
Got him.
You ain't.
God.
So he's the chipper.
Got him.
Downed him. I've downed him.
Locating.
Oh,
There he
cool.
is. There he is.
That's a good shot. I can see the body just landing.
Shit, if as soon as you put your head up, you're fucked.
I know.
Sniper rifle here. Making a move.
He's fucked. Got him.
Oh, I'm being shot from somewhere.
Hit this guy once.
Hostile.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Oh, he fucking got me. Good. He wasn't that good. He wasn't good. He wasn't good enough for me.
Hang on, dude. Bear with.
Cool. There we are, mate. I've got loads of time. Honestly, shit loads of time.
Watch the skies.
I had to get another one quickly before the other one comes over to us.
Cool. Don't know where from.
In here.
Don't know where that was from. No idea. Oh, it's on the ground, sniping, laid down by the cars. I can't mark it. Just a little bit left, right,
Oh, he
orange.
still got me. 2 thermites and a fucking flash, and I died. Come on.
Hey? How?
It was me, dude, not him.
Right,
Yeah.
where are we going?
Don't worry, we don't die.
There's money here.
Making a move.
No, that'll do.
I could get probably down here somewhere.
On the move.
Fuck,
Yeah, I'll
thrown
get
a
near
bit
it, it's all
further
good.
than that, actually. It's all fine.
Yeah, we just, it's all good. I'll do my best.
For me this time.
Yeah. Oh, I still love it when someone's got the hiccups. I don't know why it's so funny.
I want to go. Oh,
That's why. Yeah, that's why it's so funny.
should we go for the back?
See people?
Contact.
Where are we going for, Bash? Come on, put your shit together. Where are we going for? Come on.
I'm gonna go. Fuck off.
You sure? Where are we going to go for? Yeah, I hear you.
Guys on there?
I just need Bert to tell me where to go.
Friendly UAV. Enemy UAV overhead.
Come on, Bert.
Oh, I'm enjoying this photo.
Are we gonna go towards the?
Orange marker?
Are we gonna go for the back?
Armor crate.
The armor.
Well, I'm glad you're all fucking happy.
Dude, oh, you've no idea how much this impedes my way of playing. One right here. Here. Oh, shit. Oh,
Right side,
shit.
put the armor on. Oh, is that so? Oh.
Contact.
Inside.
Guys, sorry again.
Yeah, I downed him. He's dead. There's one more shooting me.
Yeah, he
Right
got me. 2 down.
Right, be fucking good. It's you again.
He's literally just by left of you.
Badson Stadium.
Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile dropping into the area.
One guy's
Watch
wide.
the skies.
Don't worry about the guy above, he's dead. Fuck me, I've got on me.
Take cover.
Okay, I've got to go inside. Okay, I'm gonna have to fuck this guy up for reals.
Where we go?
Oh, I
I'm going.
fucking still died on the cluster, fucking idiot. I'm on the roof. Oh, the cluster finished me off. Fuck me. Oh, he's in the blue building. The